Okay, Michael's. So we do have one wall of Christmas. I could go through it. No deals right now. This wreath right here, it is actually really plasticky. I bet you it is 70
Is not on this tag. Let me find out.
on top. They're just tiny now. By Ashlyn. Nope. It's not even, there's no price on it.
They don't want to sell it. They're waiting
Santa
for us.
cookie jar, $40. This is not Santa cookie jar, but the picture is 35, so they're gonna have a cookie jar, which is 40. The cookie plate for Santa is 20, and it looks like the mugs are $12.99. So cookies for Santa, 20. Crap.
There's milk for Santa. There you go.
And these trees, like the small one, $12.99. 17 for the large.
These are almost like vintage decor, like
Kind of,
old-fashioned
yeah.
tabletop stuff.
The sleigh is 40. Okay, their prices are wrong. And these trees are 40. Wow. You could get something very similar in Home Goods. And $29.99. It's like a Santa cake stand. The plate will be 20. And 50 for a 2-tier tray.
I like this.
20 for the bowl. The dish, the pie dish, 30. And 35 for the penny. I mean, it's pretty, it is cute
It's too small.
for 35 because at Burlington we see, like, in Hobby Lobby they have really nice ones. I mean, yeah. 50. That's kind of pricey. $59.99 on this guy right here. Sack of toys. You have the garland, Believe, and the candy cane pillow. 35. 50 for the, it's a throw. Wow, 50 for a throw. I mean, they make these throws by Tommy Hilfiger and Marshalls and TJ Maxx from 20 to 25.
And they're
So
better
yeah,
than
and these are thin. 15. These are going to be glass. I'm not going to touch them. These are 15. 17 on the soap dish lotion pump. Again, go to Home Goods, Ross. Ross are like 7 to 10. 20. This is 20. It's just a little doggy on a chair. Believe, 17. Santa's Magic Key. That's kind of cool. I don't think I ever... Oh, like, can I get that? Santa's Magic Key. There's no price on it, but that is a cool one. What, some bells? There's no price on these. They took the tag off. They're no longer on the Ashlyn tag.
It's probably because they're waiting to make up prices.
And we have this large Santa painting. Ho, 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 Mary. These are 10. 35 up here. Look at Santa. 35. Oh, he makes music. All right. Let's play that. Here comes Santa. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun. And 35 right here. You can find this in TJ Maxx. I was just over there. I feel like I'm a downer. I'm like, you can find that at TJ Maxx. And more of these trees.
They
Okay.
always have the disco in.
Yeah, disco. Love the cookies. They really know how to make Santa smile. 17. I mean, you should be doing that kind of. I did that for my children. Santa sent my children a letter. It was very nice. $35 here. The countdown. The bird are $12.99. Santa's Workshop, 27. Oh, let me get them out. There's a little North Pole one. 20, 20, 30. Santa's Hotline, $29.99. And $50. Oh, look. What do we think of the Santa? He's cute. And Nutcracker plushies. Little ornament one. It smells so good in here. It smells like the cinnamon, you know, the pine cone. Oh, no. What's he doing? 17. Those are 17. You can find, these are 15. 15 for the candy cane. So it looks like the tall one is 45. 29. They're spiral. These are nice. And 40. They're really thin. Again, for the price and maybe cheaper, and the quality might be better. Home Goods. Noel. Is that really 35? Oh, it lights up. Let's see.
Ribbon candy. It's so nice.
The ribbon candy. It's cute. It's really cute. I have not seen.
I've never seen Decor.
Yeah.
Ribbon candy.
These are 35. Again, it reminds me of my grandma.
Mm-hmm.
$29.99 for the large. 23 here. 40. 30. 27. That one's cute. Joy is 27 as well. He's cute, but he's 20.
I like that.
They're kind of pricey. $29.99. Santa, stop here. Does that light up? It should. It doesn't, but 15.
You know, I never had a fancy cookie that looked like that.
I did. I wish I could do icing like that. Have you seen the cookies where the people on the show, and they make it look so easy? Yeah, and I'm like, so smooth.
Now they could do that fondant.
Yeah, 25. Yeah, 25. Looks like 40 down here. Here's another Santa. Is that the same Santa? No.
No, this one's a...
He has presents on him.
Let's see if I can get that out.
Oh yeah, and he has glasses.
And they're not gold. Hipster Santa.
20. Okay, down this aisle, it's the same stuff. Naughty, Believe. Look at this bow. My gosh. There's no price on it. No. I wonder why they're taking off the prices. You know, used to be able just to... Right here by Ashland, they no longer have the price, but we've seen how much they are. The Hallmark ornaments, and they are going to be $20. We've got Wicked, Stitch, Ralphie, Sonic. The large Disney ones, they're going to be 20. They're kind of like Nutcracker vibes. Down here, these are 20. Grinch, A Christmas Story, Cindy Lou. These are 20. Oh, Halloween. Let me get to Halloween. Okay. So Halloween is 60% off. This is a good song. Okay. Try not to dance. 60% off right here. Whatever you can find. Leftover. Okay, you know what? My Michaels did not get this collection. I've seen it online and I came back many times. And now I'm seeing... Okay, it's kind of funny. But I like the bunny one because you could use it for Easter too. But we didn't get the Alice in like Wonderland whimsical thing. We didn't get that. He's on the toilet. Look, they show the Alice here, but we didn't get a whole section of it.
We didn't get the,
Yeah.
Yeah, we've been waiting forever to see that. And then, yeah, there it is. That's lame.
I know. They're 50. It's 50% off. So yes, Halloween on sale. We have these over here. Look at the snowman. Again, the stems by Ashland are going to be 40% off. And we did see the Limax, you guys. I did go over them. And I have this tree at home. I'm trying to tell my husband, I bought this tree on sale. Or we used to coupon when the Michaels used to take coupons back in the day.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
I haven't seen it. But we'll
Here's a
probably find
fondue
it.
one. We never even set it out. We turned it on. We never set it out,
It's
though.
like all of our Halloween stuff. Like, we have like a bunch of houses we didn't even get to set out. And because we have no room. And I'm like, I remember buying these.
Look how cute. But I've been going to different Michaels, and none of them have their whole village up. They're just kind of like half, you know, they're not finished. So that could be not enough people to help like work. Because every Michael's I've gone into, it looks like this.
Yeah.
Hire me. I am a mom who could use a part. You know what? I have time for a part-time job. A little bit of time. I could fit it in my schedule. But if they hire overnight people, I'm sure there's a lot of people. Extra money for school. That's what I'm saving all my money for school. So yes. All right, you guys. I can't believe like Christmas is coming, but I feel like it's ending and it's not ending. Look how cute. And 40% off. All right, you guys, let me go in the middle where the Halloween is. I think there might be more. Okay, so this right here is gonna get filled in with Christmas. I'm waiting. We just have one wall, which I did share already. That back one. Oh, look right here. We have nutcrackers, $30, 30, 25. Gingerbread, $40. These are $12.99. Wow, that tree is $25. No way. I find this in TJ Maxx all the time. There's no way. 20? No way. I'm sorry. He's cute. I feel like there's one in TJ Maxx and Marshalls too. No way would I pay 20 for a little gingerbread guy.
Shoot, no, I'd go to
TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Yeah.
Yeah, TJ Maxx and Marshalls, yeah.
35. Alright, you guys, giving you a little sneak peek here, and I'll be back when it's filled in. And of course, my video will be much nicer. 35 here for Santa. Alright, you guys, please stay safe out there. Thank you so much for joining me on the walkthroughs. Please give the videos a thumb up. It does help me in the YouTube world. All thumbs up, all hypes. I haven't seen the hype button, but you know, you guys tell me there's a hype button and you try to hype my videos. But thank you so much. It really does mean a lot to me and it helps me out. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.